Hey, it's Marty from martyangliners.com, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing a product called Video Games Empire. In my review videos, if you've ever watched them before, you know I take up-and-coming products and review part of the sales page as well as the salesy video that they put on the page, and basically sharing my thoughts, letting you know what I think, and if there's anything I think they've left out or if they've manipulated terminology or anything on those lines, basically giving you a greater insight of what they're actually saying and whether or not this company or this product is actually conducting themselves in a non-manipulative, playing on your dreams and desires sort of way. So let's jump over to the sales page. Okay, so like I said, this is an up-and-coming product. It's not yet been launched. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover kind of like the first bit of the page, because this is where most people make their decisions whether or not to actually buy it or not. Uncover a hidden method to make cash every time you want. Discover the secret method to cash in truckloads of money while playing video games. It's a bit fluffed up, but nothing too bad just yet. Video Games Empire guides you step by step through a super simple method to get paid to play video games anytime you like, even your favorite ones on mobile phone, tablets, PC or Mac computers, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch or Xbox. So what they're actually saying is you come onto a platform and you play your games, and I imagine somehow you're going to earn, and it could be something like people watching your stream, and through that they're probably going to advertise to them and you get a commission from how many viewers or clicks, maybe like a similar model to YouTube. I imagine it's that sort of thing, but let's keep on reading. Start earning money every day by playing video games like you usually do. Okay, no graphic design experience, no tech skills, no supercomputers and no paid software needed. Okay, highly profitable. People are going crazy over this. Millions of people are ready to pay to watch you play your favorite video game. So they're saying here millions of people are ready to pay. So does that mean there's a subscription going on? Are they driving customers to pay like a monthly or daily subscription sort of thing, where they get to watch unlimited streamers and any games sort of things, and then every single person that signs up through your lit channels or something like that, you get a commission? That is a very feasible way of earning through, and it's becoming more and more popular, these sorts of earnings. Easy to use platform where uploading your videos or playing live is the key to profits. And well, obviously, because if you're not in the game, if you're not uploading, if you're not doing things, then you're never going to get seen. So of course that's valid. Unlimited market. Think about how many video games there are and how many platforms to play. Okay, so again, this unlimited market, think about how many video games there are and how many platforms to play. Okay, so again, it doesn't really give that much insight in terms to what this is. Now, I actually had a quick look at their partner page, and let me just get this over. One of the interesting things that they say was in the last few months they heard about a new social network that has been bought by Amazon for $970 million. That social network is solely about video games. Now, even though I'm not like fully up to date with Amazon Ventures and stuff, the only thing that springs to mind is a platform called Amazon Spark, which was kind of similar to like an Instagram and Pinterest thing in one, but as far as I was aware, they actually closed that down. So I'm not sure what platform Amazon has actually purchased. Go ahead and leave a comment in below if you know. But yeah, so if Amazon, to be honest, anything Amazon grabs is usually very profitable for people. So if Amazon do own a social media platform, and they probably are trying to enter that space because they're trying to enter every space at the moment, then this could be a good opportunity, especially for newcomers, as it might not be as competitive as other platforms. So let's carry on. So check out some of the results gamers are getting on this new platform. So So they're actually saying that big YouTubers, I think these are YouTubers, I recognize some of the names, are earning, tons and tons of money utilizing this sort of strategy. So who is it? Ninja's got from subscribers 3 million, well, just under $4 million, but it doesn't actually, oh, this is per year. Okay, so as shown on channel, donation, sponsorship, compensation. So I don't know. So what they're saying is that these YouTubers are actually earning this sort of money from this new platform. And if that's true, I would absolutely love to see some actual statistics to back this up. Because again, this is just text on paper at the moment. There's nothing to actually proving this to us. No images, no backups of these people saying this sort of thing. No anything really. I mean, literally, I could just put 10 million there, and you'll just have to take my word for it. But let's carry on. And okay, so inside Scrapbook's Empire, so this is what we're actually going to be getting. You have this guarantee. This course is brand new, full of fresh information about a new product. So what a lot of people actually do, especially when they're teaching methods, is that they regurgitate methods. And the methods may have worked like years ago, but because they're not implementing these methods themselves, often the methods are actually quite dated and they don't really work unless you're doing them on scale. So if this is an actual new method, then again, the people who often succeed the fastest are usually people who get in like first. Okay, so if this is true, then again, it could be something good. So inside Scrapbook's Empire, you'll discover what the system is and why it's so powerful, how to join the social network, and how to create an optimal profile. Okay, that's cool. How to download and install their app. So can this be run on your phone? That'll be interesting. Or is it just a desktop application? Acknowledge the audience using this system. Okay, I'm not quite sure what that means. Does that mean we get insights of who our audience is, like ages, demographics, stuff like that? Because that's actually really, really useful. Learn audience interests and what they buy. That's also really, really interesting, because if you know what your audiences tend to buy, if you know that they buy more Call of Duty sort of products than World of Warcraft sort of products, then you know that you're going to earn a considerable amount more money when you're promoting Call of Duty stuff. So it just makes sense. How to earn through the internal system. So if there's training on how to earn as well, so that's good. How to earn with affiliate marketing. This is probably one of the best ways you can earn if you're in this industry, apart from sponsorships. How to earn selling custom products. Okay, cool. So you can get your own merchandise, I assume. Tips and tricks to become an instant expert. Okay, well, I don't think there's anything that will ever teach you to become an instant expert with anything, because that requires time, practice, and experience. And even if someone's giving you all the shortcuts, you still need to get experience and practice the system, and much, much more. I never really like seeing stuff when it says and much, much more, because it's kind of like a cop-out or a lazy way of not telling people what they're getting. Okay, that means absolutely nothing, so I would actually disregard that. Okay, so I think I've looked at probably enough on this front page, because let's face it, going through this whole thing, there's just no one's got time for that. Okay, so step 1, choose any video game on any platform. Step 2, install that 100% secure app on your computer or cell phone. So that just answered my question previously. And play and earn instant money in a lot of different ways. Okay, so there's quite a lot of typos on this page. So maybe they've rushed it, I don't know, but I do see typos. So now we're going to come to this video here, and I'm going to watch it, and I'm going to start giving you my thoughts on what this guy is actually saying. So let's jump to that.
Hello and welcome. My name is Alessandro Zamboni, and I present you the most exciting course of 2020, Video Games Empire. If you always dreamed to earn lots of money without actually working, but by playing video games, your dream has come true.
Okay, so straight off the bat, I kind of see what sort of format this video is going through. It would have been really nice to you know, see the back end, but maybe blurred out like the logo and the URL and stuff like that. Because obviously, if part of what we're buying is revealing this big platform secret, then ideally it would be nice to kind of see how the back end works, but in a way so you can very easily blur the logo and the URL and other things like that, just so we get a greater insight of what it is we're buying. Also, if there's like training on the back end and stuff like that, again, where's the harm in actually showing us the breakdown of all the content that we're going to be getting? It's really annoying, these weird little salesy videos that don't really reveal much. At the moment, they've not actually said much, and we're already 18 seconds in and the video is only like a minute and 38 seconds long. So yeah.
Inside this course I will show you how to generate cash through a brand new social media platform dedicated to every type of video game. You can play from your computer.
So one of the things I like what they said there is they're saying that this platform is dedicated to every single game. That actually means that no matter what game you play, no matter what game niche or whatever you're in, if you're a Call of Duty game, there's an audience for you. If you're in the RuneScape game, there's an audience for you. If you're in Club Penguin game, there's an audience for you. So that's really good. So that means that's a really big market for you, no matter what game you play.
Mac, cell phones, tablets and consoles like PlayStation.
It's also good that you can use this app across all devices. Not everyone's got like a powerful computer, but they may have like a Samsung or an iPhone, which, let's face it, they are quite powerful devices, and if you can play off them, then you can actually start earning an income playing games on your phone, which means that you can build up capital to get yourself a desktop or whatever other device that you like playing on. So there's potential there for people who don't have who aren't as privileged to have all the computers and stuff like that to play off.
Switch and Xbox, to name a few. Modern and old video games like FIFA 2020, Call of Duty, Rainbow Six, GTA 5, Clash Royale, Candy Crush Saga, Gardenscapes and much more. You run your...
So what's nice there is that not only have they said that there's an audience for modern games like Call of Duty, etc., but they're also speaking about other not so modern games like Candy Crush and Clash Royale and stuff like that. So if you are a bit of a retro gamer, or if you're someone who's been playing a game for the last few years, then there's still a market there for you. So
favorite game and users pay to watch you play, and you can earn in a lot of different ways, selling a...
So you're playing your game and then users will pay to watch you play. And one of the issues there that I'm thinking of is, well, you've got loads of free gamers on YouTube, okay? So unless you're already established and you already have like a hardcore following, why would people pay to watch you play a game that the chances are many others are watching already? Okay, because at the end of the day, if YouTube's the second biggest search engine on this planet, people, and especially younger generations, spend more time watching YouTube and similar platforms than they do TV. That's actually factual now. So they're already spending a mass amount of time on these platforms. So what is the USP? What's the thing that's actually going to turn people off YouTube and come over to whatever this platform is to pay you? Okay, and we also don't forget that you can actually charge people on YouTube to watch private videos as well. So I'm not too sure on why people would pay through this platform when there's so much already out there.
Affiliate products, getting paid by social media through advertising, or receiving digital coins you can turn into cash. This is the start of a new era. There are young millionaires who are building their fortune with this new social network, and every type of people with their circle of followers. The number one rule is...
Okay, so So number one, yeah, there are people young people earning a lot of money, okay? there's no secret there. And the reason they're earning a lot of money is because they've got mass amounts of traffic. They've got huge numbers on them, okay? So is this platform going to be able to bring you huge numbers? Now, for me, personally, I'm a content creator, so I create YouTube videos just like this. And even though I may not have a massive following, I focus on buyer intent sort of traffic rather than gamer intent sort of traffic. So I really make a full-time living because I am very particular with the sort of audience I'm targeting. So that's something to be really aware of. So all these massive YouTubers, the reason they're able to earn so much money off creating content like this is because they've got mass amounts of numbers. And they're also saying every type of people with their circle of followers. So are they saying that you should really already have established a follower before you come over to this platform? Don't know.
Enjoying spending time together. You don't have to be an expert gamer, since users love to follow real people like you and me. This is the new way to get paid spending time doing what you love, playing video games. And the more you play, the more you can earn.
Okay, so we didn't actually learn that much through the sales video. What I've gathered from it is they're going to introduce you to a social media platform, which again, they don't own or anything like that. Once they introduce you, they're going to show you how to properly utilize it and set up your own content and how you can earn through affiliate links and affiliate products, and probably ad revenue and stuff like that. Do I think you're going to learn something amazing, or it's going to reveal or change your life? Probably not. But what I will say is that if this is a new platform, and I'm probably going to do a bit of research to see what Amazon's been buying recently, but if you do get into a new platform like TikTok, for example, people overnight, in fact, my little sister published a video on TikTok and it's got like 2.5 million views in like 2-3 months. Okay, so often when you plant seeds onto new platforms, good things can happen as long as you do it properly and not half-assed. Okay, so again, I'm not 100% sure what to think of this product because there's a lot of things left open and they've not really told us exactly what we're going to be doing. It would have been nice to see like the inside of it, like if there's a course or step-by-step instructions, just a breakdown of the topics and stuff like that. But either way, if you do decide to purchase this, go ahead and click the link in my description, because when you purchase this through my links, what you're doing is you're supporting my channel. I get to earn a little bit of commission from this product, and as a special thank you for going that extra mile and actually supporting me and telling me that you like what I do, I'm going to go ahead and give you some bonus content, which is all about traffic generation. Okay, and like I was saying before, traffic is the biggest thing to earning money online, in my opinion. It's one of the biggest things. So if you've got eyeballs on anything you do, there's a strong chance that once you start optimizing the offers and stuff like that, you will start generating sales. But you can have the best offer in the world or the best video in the world, and if you're not getting eyeballs onto it, then it doesn't mean anything, unless you take pride in just creating things. But for me, I want to earn money when I do these sort of things, and I'm sure you do as well. So you will get my bonus content, which you can see in the link below, and it will tell you everything about it. Also, if you want to know more information about pricing and stuff like that, go ahead and click the link and I'll show all the pricing, the upsells, downsells, cross sell, my uncle sells, all of that information will be found in the link below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.